Good day everyone. So this video is for my activity, the Ferlectio repetition. So in the philosophical question confronted, the question we are confronting here is, what is philosophy? So in this thesis, the answer to the question is that philosophy is to know being, essence, and necessary truth through the unique kind of knowledge. So the supporting points for this thesis is first, philosophy gives us prior knowledge, truths that are necessary and not based on experience. Second, philosophy reveals essence and states of affairs that exist independently of our minds or opinions. Lastly, philosophical knowledge provides deeper understanding, shapes how we live, and gives meaning to human existence. And the objections are, however, with regards to the first points, others say that all knowledge comes from experience and not in priori knowledge. With respect to the second point, other thinkers object that essence are just in the mind or social construction, not a real things. And about the third point, some people claim that philosophy is not realistic and doesn't improve real life compared to science or technology. And to the first objection, I answer that we can know certain things like moral truths or logical principles without needing evidence. To the second, I reply that essence like justice or freedom feel real and meaningful in ways that can't be reduced to opinions. And to the third one, I say that philosophy affects how people understand purpose, values, and even how they respond to suffering and success. For example, I experience a moment that I know something that is this is wrong or right, even if I couldn't explain it with evidence. Um, the the essence is there. So um, another one is that when I asked, "What's the point of life?" No science class can answer this, but philosophy can. So, to illustrate the third one, consider the case of someone reading existentialist philosophy and realizing they have freedom to change their life direction. So, my insight are philosophy help us find truth that don't depend on experience or opinion. There are meanings in the world that we can understand deeply by reflection. Philosophy has real life value. It influences us how to think, feel, and act. In conclusion, philosophy is more than just thinking about ideas. It's deep way of understanding that world that help us discover lasting truths and live with more purpose and truthfulness. So, starting today, I will look for deeper meaning behind the things I learn, not just facts. Um, I will also reflect more often on concepts like truth, justice, and freedom, and etc. to understand their real nature. And finally, I will allow myself to learn from the philosophy to guide my actions and goals. And that's all. Thank you.